do because they are so scared of this coronavirus. And if you see someone sneezed on the bus or in a shop or in a market, people get angry really, and they might keep he or she out because it's so scary and it's so serious. Yes, because they are so scared and they keep it really serious.
If someone sneezes in a shop or in a bus, actually people get angry and they kick them out. Is that what you're saying?